Many of us at KCC use Foxit as our PDF editor. This video will give you a quick rundown of some of the easiest steps to take to use Foxit to make an existing PDF accessible. Please keep in mind that depending on the quality of your existing PDF, you may or may not be able to make it accessible. Scanned documents saved as PDFs typically cannot be made accessible. But let's take a look at how Foxit works. First, open your PDF in Foxit. Then, click on Accessibility in the menu bar at the top of the screen. It's a good idea to start the accessibility remediation process by clicking on Auto Tag Document at the far left of the accessibility menu. Next, click on Full Check. Make sure all of these boxes are checked, and then click Start Checking. Unfortunately, Foxit is not the most user-intuitive product, so this next part might be a little confusing. After you run the full check, the accessibility window will appear on the left side of your screen. Items that appear in bold with the number of issues in parentheses are the problematic items. Click on the box with the plus icon in it to the left of the bold issue item. Here you can find items that need to be remediated. Green icons with the check mark indicate that something is accessible. Blue items with a question mark and red items with an X will need to be resolved. Use your mouse to right-click on an item. For blue question mark items, choose Pass from the menu that appears after you right-click on it. For red items, choose Fix from the menu. Some items Foxit can automatically fix. Others will require you to do a little work. Here, it's asking for a title. Even though this page has a title, that title text was not formatted as a title. Simply enter the title in the title box, then click OK. Make sure to check and fix all of the bold issue items. This issue is alternate text, also known as alt text. Alt text is a short description of an image that can be read by a screen reader. Foxit highlights each image and opens up a window where you can type your alt text. If you have multiple images needing alt text, click the right arrow button after you enter alt text for one image to move on to the next. After you have entered alt text for all of your images, press the Save and Close button. Unfortunately, not all items can be remediated from this menu. For example, here there is a problem with the table in the document. If we click on the plus symbol to the left of the word tables, we can see that the problem is with the table's header. If we click on the plus symbol next to headers, we can see a little more about what the problem is. Unfortunately, what it says here is element 1, which is not very informative. If we right-click on element 1, we can see that in this case there is no option to pass or fix this problem. Unfortunately, this is not something that can be fixed unless you are skilled at setting PDF tags, which I am not. This is one of the many reasons we recommend against using tables if at all possible. At this point, the document has been remediated to the best of my ability within Foxit. However, the steps that I just took have improved the file's accessibility substantially, even if it is not perfect. As you can see, not all problems can be fixed easily with this tool, but many can be. If you have any questions about how to use Foxit to remediate existing PDFs for accessibility, please reach out to the CTL at ctlsupport@klamathcc.edu, by phone at 541-880-2374, or just stop by Building 3, Room 350, and we'll be happy to help you out.